Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Dodge Journey battery. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Gather all necessary tools like a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal brush. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes. Always make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is firmly set before starting any work. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate your battery. It's usually under the hood, but some models might have it in the trunk. Using your wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first, which is often marked with a minus sign. Then, disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, remove any clamps or straps that hold the battery down, allowing you to lift it out safely. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Start by cleaning the battery tray and the terminal clamps to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly. Then, connect the negative terminal, ensuring both connections are snug and secure for optimal performance. You're almost done. Perform a final check to ensure all connections are tight and the battery is securely fastened in its tray. Give the battery a gentle wiggle to confirm it won't move. Now, start your engine to verify everything is working correctly. If the car starts, you've successfully replaced your battery. For more great deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.